Hey guys, welcome to Hexter 6. I know it's a strange start to the Hexter with everybody doing virtual learning, but I figured we'd start with our first assignment as a check-in. To get credit for this first assignment for the Hexter, what I'd like you to do is send me an email, and I'll attach my email in the assignment. But I'd like you to email me a couple of things. The first thing is, do you have classes from Hexter 5 that you need to finish? Um, a lot of kids didn't check in this week or didn't get through all their work this week, and so they have some things to wrap up from Hexter 5. And if one of those classes you need to finish up is science, let me know how I can help. I'd also like you to let me know how your spring break was and how you're feeling about school right now and anything in general. And then just anything else you want to share or questions you have about this Hexter going forward because it's new. Let me know what you need, how I can help, and that's it. You get credit for emailing me those few things. How are you doing? What's going on? Do you have classes that you're needing to finish up? And how can I help or what can I get for you? All right. Talk to you soon. Bye.